So, guys, I just ran out of coffee, which really reminds me of my favorite supplement, that is caffeine, and a few other supplements which I think I really need to focus on, or what we really need for our daily lives. So, let's get to this topic for today: the top 5 supplements, or top 5 underrated supplements that I need and you need for our daily functioning, strength goals, and muscle gain.
The first supplement we have is Chyawanprash. It is an ancient Indian supplement and it also helps in improving digestion and metabolism among many other functions. It helps protect our liver function and promotes it. It helps preserve our kidney function and our lipid and protein metabolism. Also, it tastes great unlike many other supplements. Chyawanprash is also really easy to consume and is really caloric dense, which is really recommended for people who want to gain some weight, especially hard gainers. Chyawanprash is also known as a detoxifier and it's really easy to consume this. The dosage for Chyawanprash is 1 tablespoon every morning on an empty stomach. You can have it with milk or mix it with any other sweet that you would like to have. I like to take Chyawanprash just simply in the morning when I wake up so I don't procrastinate it later because I'm lazy. Next, we have fish oil. It is derived from the tissues of oily fish. Now, it contains omega 3 fatty acids which have anti inflammatory properties. So, people who are prone to injuries can actually benefit from omega 3. It slows down the development of plaque in the arteries and it also helps in the reduction of heart attack and stroke. According to 2011 study, it also has shown that omega 3 decreases the severe localized soreness as a sign of inflammation which results from eccentric strength exercises. The dosage might range from 2 to 3 tablets in a day. Next up, we have Live 52 or any liver health supplement. It is good for people who are conscious about their liver support and also for people who are having a high protein diet or people who are consuming steroids. It also promotes weight gain and improves appetite and is just a good way to improve our liver health. It improves the functional efficiency of the liver and ensures optimum liver function. Next up, we have ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an ancient medicinal herb and it is classified as an adaptogen, means it can help your body manage stress. It is also known to boost brain function, lower anxiety levels in our body, and fight off depression. Ashwagandha is also known as a nootropic, which means it helps with people who need focus. And I would love to try ashwagandha, but right now I don't have any access to it. But I would really like to use the supplement at a point in my life to help manage my cortisol levels and manage my stress and anxiety levels. Alright, so now that we have covered 4 of our 5 important supplements, I want you guys to tell me which supplement is your favorite. Let me know in the comments below and we can have a discussion. Now, for the final supplement, caffeine. Caffeine is the world's most consumed psychoactive stimulant. It is found in coffee, cola, and tea. Taking caffeine seems to increase physical strength and endurance and might also delay exhaustion during exercise. It might reduce the feelings of maybe even depression in some cases. But all these things like caffeine and taurine come with a price, that is tolerance. Now, the best way to battle tolerance is, I believe, taking a few days off caffeine until you feel like your energy reserves are back to normal. But otherwise, I believe that people should regulate their caffeine intake, and it is not advised for people who have heart issues, anxiety, or even stress, as it might make these things worse. Okay, so guys, I hope you all like this video. Leave a thumbs up if you all want more, and follow me on Instagram at Surreal Strength. Okay, guys, I'll see you later.